Welcome to the channel, and if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification. In here we discuss everything relating to smart money trading and to keep you profitable. And if you're interested in such content, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. Okay, so here we'll be looking at what is inducement in forex. What is inducement? What is inducement in forex? So inducement refers to a strategic move by large market participants, usually what the banks, the institution, in brackets, we also call what smart money move, to lure retail traders into taking position that ultimately benefits institutional players. You see, institutional players like what the banks. The price action is manipulated to make traders believe a trend is forming, only for the market to reverse and hit their stop losses. So basically, inducement is there to make you what take early entries, early buys or early sells, which end up at the end not actually being what the right entry or the right point to actually take your trades from. So let's jump into what the part two of this video. We'll be looking at what how inducement actually work and what how to actually spot inducement your setups. So if you're interested in actually knowing how to do this, please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment below if you actually what got value. Okay, so let's head to the part two. So how inducement works and how to actually what spot inducement. Smart money creates a setup that looks like a breakout or a reversal. Second one, retail traders jump in driven by FOMO. That was what fear of missing out. We have the third one, price reverses, taking out their stop losses. Then the real move begins, often in the direction retail traders originally was expected. That was what you hear a lot of traders say something like, um, I'm expecting a buy, but what my stop loss was taken out before the market continued in my direction. Inducement tricks you into entering early. You see, entering early. That's what inducement causes. It tricks you into entering, and you might be very, very correct, or actually what you marked your setup knowing the what directional bias, but because what you entered early and you'll be taking out. So your liquidity, that's what your stop loss can be what harvested. So you can actually see how the market makers guess to what lure a lot of what retail traders into taking early positions before what the main setup. So let's head into what the chapter 3 of this section to actually what understand this inducement properly. Okay, so here in this chapter 3, we'll be looking at what common inducement zones. Common inducement zones, and the first on our list is what order blocks. Inducements are found within other blocks. Within other blocks, that's when you don't know how to actually what pick the right order block. The second is what supply and demand zones. We have what support and resistance level, break of structure or change of character. These zones look like valid entries but are actually traps. Only one zone is due, true reversal point. The rest are what inducement zone. So from this, we'll be going into a real life example where we'll look at the chart example to actually understand how this liquidity are formed, how they are actually what used by market or institutional traders to lure in traders into taking early buys or early sells, which is what early entries. So we are on GBP JPY 1 hour time frame, and we'll be using this trade we call during our live section on Monday to actually what explain this simple setup. Explain this simple setup. So at this point, this was the last low we had. The price pulled up, took out this point, which gave us what a change of character on the 1 hour time frame, leaving us with what this fair value gap, as you can see clearly marked. We have what this other block What were we expecting to actually what take this sell? For us to actually take this sell, we want to see the market give us some sort of engineered liquidity or what an inducement which validates this zone. We don't trade our other blocks without liquidity or inducement. Don't forget, all inducements are also what forms of liquidity, but not all liquidity are what inducement in the market. So don't confuse both of them. But what in this scenario, we were actually what waiting for the market to either give us what a confirmation entry. And what was the confirmation entry we are looking at for this liquidity to be taken out, or for the market to create what an inducement, which the market also did. Market pulled down at this point, gave us this low, pulled up, it didn't tap into our zone, gave us what a change of character at this point. The market gave us a change of character, pulled down, market pulled down, and what? If you look closely at this point, you will see we have a zone. We have a zone. Look at this point. That is a zone, and having this zone, a lot of persons will actually want to see this price retraced into this zone because we have this impulsive move which gave us a change of character. We have what a fair value gap. So they want to see this price come back into this other block, and that is why I said what usement are found at what other block zones or supply and demand. So price came back into this zone, and what a lot of person must have taken their early sales, and what price has simply induced you. I believe now you get to understand the concept of inducement in the market. So price induced you, then tapped into what the original or the main supply zone, and what can you see? Price rallied to the downside. So during the live section that Monday, we saw price at this point, and immediately I gave this what trade entry where I said place a limit sell, and this was our target. This trade was a 1:3, and if you can watch closely, you can see what immediately price smash our take profit. You can see there was a reversal, and it's what just a simple trade. It was a simple trade. It wasn't complicated because we were able to understand the concept of liquidity and what inducement in the forex market. So combining the momentum candle, fair value gap, having what liquidity and what our inducement, we are able to actually what get a clear 1:3. Now let's look at the next example we also called during our live section, which is what USD card, USD card, USD card. So if you don't want to miss out on all of these amazing trades during our live section, please do well to subscribe, turn on the post notifications so that you will always be notified anytime we are going live. Okay, so here we are on the USD card on the 1 hour time frame, and what can you see? This was the last order block we had at this point. Price was pushed up, giving us what a change of character at this point. After having that change of character, what can you see? We notice after having this change of character, we notice what price pulled back down, acting like it wanted to take out this inducement here and tapped into this zone, but what price neglected our zone and continued to the upside. Price continued to the upside, giving us what a double bottom at this point, which tells you that what we have a liquidity, and this other block, this other blocks now turns to be what our inducement zone. Closely, this was what our inducement zone. Now price retraced to the upside and continue moving. Price was very bullish. Price continued to the upside at this point, even what behind all of this liquidity. Price returning to this other block. I know a lot of person must have actually taken this out because what you have what you have your fair value gap, and there was this momentum here which gave you what this liquidity. Having this liquidity sitting here, a lot of persons will be considering this order block as the valid order block. So what do the institution or the banks do? The banks, they are there to lure you into taking what early entries, then they will what pull the market in their direction before what continue in desired direction. Immediately price tapped into this zone during the live section. I gave what a buy entry at this point, and what can you see? Immediately price tapped into this zone. Price respected it, took out this side, and what price rallied all the way to upside. And you can see that what After the price tapped into this, it has continued to the upside. And there was a strict warning I gave to my community members and those that were live that day. I told them, don't look out for sell at this point because all we have here is what there are liquidities. If you actually want to look for a sell order, this should probably be what where you should be looking out for because this is what their inducement and this is your fair value gap and this is the right order block who actually want to see this trade actually what take the sell from. And what did you see? Immediately price got to this zone. There was a news, the price reacted to the downside, but what to the upside. So understanding liquidity, understanding inducement will make you more profitable than you can imagine. So if you want to know more about inducement, if you want to know about liquidity, comment the word inducement or liquidity for me to actually what maybe explain more detailed video for you or do join the free 3 month classes we are hosting. I and my community members hosting from October through December for you to actually what understand this concept, actually what take more better and more precise trades for you to get or increase your win rate in the market. So see you in the next one and don't forget to what give a thumbs up for this video and do share with your community, friends, and family to actually what understand this simple concept of what inducement in the forex or in the financial market. See you in the next one. Bye for now.